तो अनुशासन बनाने के लिए क्या आपको बच्चों को डंडे की जरूरत पड़ती थी, आपकी मुच्छों से ही डर जाते थे?
See, every coin has the two sides.
सर, मैं पहले तो शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ मैनेजमेंट का, बच्चों का, और सबसे ज़्यादा धन्यवाद मैं करना चाहूँगा उन पेरेंट्स का जिन्होंने हमारे ऊपर विश्वास करके अपने बच्चों का भविष्य हमारे हाथ में सौंपा और हम उनकी भावनाओं पर खरे उतरे। और बच्चों ने भी हमें जो हम सिखा रहे थे उनको उसका 100% साथ के साथ उन्होंने फीडबैक दिया है। और सर, सबसे ज़्यादा मैं थैंकफुल हूँ अपनी मैनेजमेंट का, जो भी फैसिलिटीज़ की हमें कभी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सो इन शॉर्ट टर्म वो हमें प्रोवाइड कराते हैं। सो इस सक्सेस के लिए मैं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से सभी बच्चों को, उनके पेरेंट्स को और पूरे अपनी टीम का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद कहता हूँ।
साथ है राठी सर, उनका भी बहुत बड़ा रोल है इस अचीवमेंट पे। इंग्लिश के वो टीचर हैं और सभी बच्चों को इंग्लिश उन्होंने पढ़ाई है, उनसे बात करेंगे। सर, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई इसके लिए। पहले तो
First of all, thank you and Jai Hind everyone. So, congratulations to all the students, the family of our school, teachers, parents. And the main thing is that they have done absolutely perfect in their 10th board exams. The journey was not easy in the starting. So we have guided the students as per as their experience, and the main thing was that they've never stopped asking the questions. What we teachers expected from them in the classes, that whatever doubts you are having in the mind, express yourself, ask the doubts. The more doubts you will give us, the more queries you will be having, and the more fruitful it will be learning of our school.
आज की टीचिंग के बारे में मैं आज से आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि अब जो है टीचर और स्टूडेंट के बीच में जो कम्युनिकेशन है उसमें बहुत दिक्कत है कि छोटी छोटी बातों की शिकायत हो जाती है। अब आप शिकायत कर देते हैं तो आप कैसे इसको मैनेज करते हैं? क्योंकि अच्छी अचीवमेंट के लिए उसको मैनेज करना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है, उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताइए।
Yeah, it's a very good question. Basically, nowadays education has become skillful education because everything is available on the YouTube, internet. The child can go on the internet and go through the literature part, grammar, but everything is available. The main thing is that skillful education. And now it's the homework of the teacher also, that the teacher has to inculcate many difficulties of the child. Nowadays, we have personally seen the children are going through the depressed mode, stress mode. They are lacking in the patience. The patience level is getting very much low. And in ancient days, when we were in the school time, our teachers used to give us the topics to speak up, and meditation was there, yoga was there, so moral values were there. So same thing we were trying to inbuild in the children, so that, see, success is secondary part. First part is you have to make yourself proficient so that you can be capable to digest that success. And what is the best part to digest the success? That is the patience. So we have made the children to be patient, to clear their mind time to time. And the zone, the atmosphere of the school, the class was very friendly, so that they are not having any kind of hesitation to ask any doubt from the teacher. Because in the school, we are the parents, and in the home, the real parents are the parents. So means the bonding should be positive, automatically the result will be positive, and the result is positive in the school.
तो अनुशासन बनाने के लिए क्या आपको बच्चों को डंडे की जरूरत पड़ती थी, आपकी मुच्छों से ही डर जाते थे?
See, every coin has the two sides, and when it goes to the love, it also goes to the anger. And the God always tests that person who has the caliber. So means I have mixed my teaching with anger also, love also, care also. But that punishment, that anger was not for the destruction. That was for the modification. And the result is in front of them, because I don't teach for the one day. I teach them to make their proper career, so that when they leave the school, when they come to the society, they should feel that, yeah, we have learned something different. We are the student, we are the citizen of our country, and we have made our parents proud, school proud, and definitely the yourself you have made your proud.
रेगुलरिटी का सेकंड लेवल ऑफ सक्सेस।
Yeah.
तो बच्चे लगातार मेहनत करते रहें, कैसे प्रोत्साहित करते हो?
That's a very good option, and that's a very good question also you said. Basically, what I said to the children, that you yourself are your motivation. Don't get motivated by the other people which you haven't seen in the life. Get motivated by the small things. You can get motivated by your success which you got in the last year. You can get motivated by your parents. by your siblings who have done immensely great things. Because nowadays we have seen the people are very much fascinated toward the social media, and they are using the social media like hell. And what is the result using the social media? Not positive. But what we have told them, the real motivation, inspiration is inside you only, because you are like a germination of seed. Every seed has a beautiful tree. The main thing is that how you take care of the seed, how you nourish that. So these are seed for us. We are the gardeners. We are taking care, and our school is taking care. And definitely we are getting good flowers, good results. And one day they'll be achieving. Somebody will becoming IAS, IPS, soldier, engineer, doctor. So we will also be getting benefits from them. Roots will be deep, so result will also be deep, and the school will be like beautiful garden full of flowers and the vegetables.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Much.